Alright, hey YouTube, today we're going to do the fuel filter change on a 96 Jeep Cherokee. So what you'll need is a new filter. You can get this from the parts store. I'll show it in the elements there. That's the part number I'm using. You'll need a ratchet, extension, 10mm socket, and a flathead screwdriver to get the hose clamps off. And we'll probably need, I'm assuming we're going to need pliers or needle nose to twist the hoses free, to break them free off of here to pull them off. Looks pretty dry on there, so I'll take you off here and show you underneath the car. Alright, so the location for it, it's just going to be on your driver's side. When you come down, and this is your fuel filter right here. So you're going to take this 10mm off. You're going to take, and then this strap will come off, and then you're going to take this hose clamp and this hose clamp. And then you got to work these hoses off. And there's one thing, there's no valves here, so when you take these off, fuel's going to flow out of your tank, which can be a whole thing, but it'll be okay. I'll just put it on quick, and hopefully it'll work out. So yeah, so I'll break this stuff free and then I'll catch you back up. Alright, so I got you set up down here. One thing, I went to take the hose off and a lot of fuel came out. So what I did was I went and grabbed some locking pliers here, some vice grips, and all I'm going to do is kind of pinch this hose off here. This hose looks like it's in pretty good shape, so I'm not too worried about breaking it. Of course I say that. Alright, we'll be right. So I'm going to just tighten this, pinch this hose off here. And there we go. This shouldn't leak very much now, and this should be downhill, this pipe over here, so should be alright. Let's see. So we shouldn't get a lot out of here. I'm wearing safety glasses just in case I get gas in my eye. If you guys have done that before, you know it sucks. Okay, and just slip the hose clamp up, rotate it. They're actually Phillips screws, not flatheads, but it's alright. Well, actually I got one of each. Never mind. Well, that's good. That means someone has changed the filter before, which is nice. And it wasn't doing anything weird, no drivability issues or anything, but it's got 200 and almost 50,000 miles on it, so I'm just being nice to it, that's all. Alright, so now I got the hoses loose. I'll take that top bolt out. This is the first video with the new camera, so hopefully it goes better than my phone was going. It should. Okay, so then you got your little screw out. And now I'll just twist these hoses off here. And try not to take a gas back. Alright, and just let gravity do the work here. And okay. Yep, and there's gasoline all over me. That's good. That's okay. Alright, and then so on here you got an out and you got an in. So you're going to go in from the tank and out towards the engine. So in from the tank. And just make sure. And yep, so in, out. Okay, so, and I'll put this hose on. Yeah. go. Very simple maintenance. It's a little messy, but it's very simple. And I'm just going to put the hose clamp back on. And if your hoses look real bad, you can go ahead and you should change them, but these ones looks like they're fine and it wasn't leaking before, so hopefully it doesn't leak now. Okay, so that's tight. I want to do this and see if it leaks. And it didn't leak, so we should be good there. I'll put my little clamp back on with my screw. And so it just goes in this little lip here and then right over the top. There we go. Fits back in the clamp, so that means it was the right filter. That could have been bad. Okay, and that's it. Very simple. It'll clear up some of your idle issues if you're having kind of erratic idle or whatever. But like I said, I didn't have any issues with it. I was just doing the maintenance just to be good to the engine. So, alright, well, thanks for watching.